Dino da Great. Bounce tick. 210 in this bitch. Little bit splashing in this bitch, man. Whole lot of sauce. Left your speed.
That boy is Benny.
They say I'm ahead of my time. Now you just too far behind. Pick up the pace. I'm kicking flavor for real. Drinking out of spill. Shit that I'm rocking can pay a few bills. I got the shit all out the spill. Dripping all over the place. Dripping all over the place. I got the shit all out the spill. Kicking this shit in their face. Dripping for real.
Hello world. I'm just talking to you, man. Hello, how you doing, yo?
Make sure you subscribe to 5 to 10. We going up all 2020, man.
Hello world. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy 5 to the 10, aka Fever. Y'all already know what time it is. Your boy got the gray shirt on, so it means I'm about to do some work on the car. So I got these. Need to put them on, see if they fit. My spike lugs for the green thing. You know, some of my followers say I need to put some more yellow on the side of the car, so this is what I'm gonna try to do. See how it turn out. Y'all comment, let me know what y'all think. Y'all ordered these from Venom. Shouldn't take that long to put on. So, but I'm gonna have to unlock the truck because I really have my tools in the truck. So, I go to Monster. I'm gonna have to move the Monster. I already moved the truck out, so. Okay, I gotta move to the middle. Hold on. Hey, y'all don't scar my hair. I parted it down the middle, split it to the side. I went old school with it, man. I ain't had nothing else to do, so I was greasing my scalp. I just left it like this. Don't judge me. Now, this shouldn't take long, hopefully. Dang, the car rolling? Shoot. Hopefully these bad boys look right. Oh, I thought they didn't fit at first. I was about to be disappointed. Oh, they don't. It's really not bad. I don't know, these are 4.5. For those of you that don't know, they have 4.5, which is 4.5 inches, and then they have 6. My truck says 4.5, but I'm gonna show y'all the difference between this and my truck. My truck seemed like it stick out a lot more. Not sure why. So we're gonna go ahead.
Feel like I got nobody. Bump in the street starving. Run away like kids when they see they peeps arguing. Been trying to find myself for the longest. Gon' get your eyes checked. Can't see me unless you on that fucked up shit. I'm not real like a list full of fictional bullshit. No, don't read this. I'm a book full of horror scripts. Plotting the future. I cock and I do ya. You lost so I lose ya. On that clearing fruit stuff. Magician boot. What?
Y'all see that? Bam. That didn't take long for that first one. So, let's move it on.
What? Disappear in visible mode when I try to do ya. Crossover shaking, I lose ya. Yep. I'm a real problem for you, boy. No one can control me. I'm so gone on it, boy. That other shit, freestyle me a song for it, boy. I'm riding and sleep with it. I'm so thrown with it, boy. They really don't know me. They try to figure it out. I say fuck a homie. I finally figured it out. I've been like this for the longest. I cock that long shit. I pop that long shit. I'm on that gon' get that nigga if that nigga wanna try and fuck with me. And you know the name, so nigga don't fuck with me. My mind ain't working right, my brain's out of function.
See, that's the difference. That don't stick out as much. Like the other ones. I done dropped some, hold on. The other one don't stick out like that. But, of course, I got the staggered look on the back. Yeah, those stick out. But they still don't stick out as much as my... Let me try to get that side view. Don't stick out as much as my truck do. So, we're going to the other side. Now this one is hard. Oh man. This must have been the tire. I thought I had a flat on at discount. Took my stuff off and come to find out the nail didn't go all the way through. Shoot, they put that bad boy on real good. Man, it won't screw on. See how they do you, boy? Yeah, I was gonna do 2 mods in one video. But I was like, nah. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stretch it out. Shoot. Cause I see some people do 2 different videos and it all occurred in one day. So I'm like, you know what? I can do that. Yeah, all of these are hard on this side. It's a good workout though. Anytime you're working on something, it's a workout. Yeah, once you stop moving around, you get old faster. You gotta keep moving, stretching, working out, stretching, drinking, stretching, you know. If not, your body don't do nothing but stiffen up. Y'all notice we ain't as flexible as we were when we were kids. I'm gonna have to go get the box. Okay. Yeah, I only paid, I think I paid 98 bucks from Venom to get these. It's a different website you can go to. Sometimes, I know Venom had a good clearance on some of them. You have to go on their website, look at their clearance. If you got the right color, man, they was giving these mugs away. 40 bucks, 48 bucks. But they didn't have my color. They had the size or the, what they call it, the tread that fit, but they didn't have the color on clearance. They had purple and everything else. So I had to pay full price. They had some good green, pink. They had some nice fluorescent colors. They even have, y'all gotta check it out. They got camouflage. That camouflage was nice. I started to go. I think the camouflage would have went with this, cause it's the same color green, but the other colors were, I still think it kind of would have went. I can't get this one on, so y'all bear with me. There we go. There we go. I just have 6 more to put on. Man, boy, discount gonna be playing. They try to put a tire on where you can't, a rim on where you can't get that much off. You gotta come right back to them and go to the tire shop. You're not rotating your own tires, sir. We're doing it. Hopefully, I get my second mod done next week. And I don't mind telling you guys what day it is. It's Friday, the 12th. Or was it the 11th? It's Friday. Shit. Get my dates mixed up. Now, I'm finna knock out this last one. Y'all see that? I shouldn't have to zoom in on that one. Bam. Up close in person. See, it's easy to take off. It's just that one tire that I had a nail in and thought it was flat or going flat. So, you know, these cars don't come with a spare. And at the time, I didn't have my factory wheels. Now I keep one as a spare, but at the time I didn't. But after that nail incident, I keep one in the trunk. Well, for now, because Sucker Free RT called me out. He said I don't want that smoke, so I may end up racing Sucker Free RT. I ain't gonna have no spare tire in the trunk then. That slow challenger, I'm gonna give it the blues. You hear me, Sucker Free? I'm talking about you, brother. He calling out everybody. Get that little old challenger now. He wanna call out everybody. Better slow your roll, man.
Out of function, my mind ain't working right. I think my fucking brain's out of function. My 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 mind ain't working right. My brain's out of function. My mind ain't. My fucking brain's out of function. I think about doing some shit I ain't functioning.
Give me a second. Put all this up. Oh, that didn't take long. 17 minutes and 30 seconds. And that's while talking. So if I wouldn't have talked, it would have been even faster. So, all right, I'm done. Give y'all a close up. This is the rear. See how that stick out? Then we go around to the front because I got that staggered look. Front don't stick out as much. I was thinking if I went with the 6.5s because these are all 4.5s. I mean 6, not 6.5. 4.5, and then you got the 6. I think the 6 would have stuck out. I should have got 6s in the front. Then they would have looked exactly like the ones in the back. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Now I'm supposed to have the 4.5s. No. Yeah, they 4.5s. Supposed to have the 4.5s on the truck. So y'all let me know what you think. See how much that stick out? To me, that's a big difference. So, probably need to put them side by side so you can tell. But just let me know what you think. All right, so I'm done. Didn't take long, not at all. Y'all comment, like, share. Hopefully y'all are already subscribed, or you guys are already subscribed. Yeah, you know we in Texas. In Texas, we say y'all. So I'm trying to be different. Don't be looking at that part in the top of my head. I did that on purpose. Don't judge me. So, appreciate y'all rocking with me. About to get out, probably hit a car meet in Irving, catch up with Royalty on 24s or, you know, 6.4 G baby. One of the homies. But if I do, I'm gonna film it and it will be on a different, it'll be a different video. I'm out. No, seriously.
I was born in Dallas, DePort, Pleasant Grove, Lake June, Jamila, St. Regis, I know. It wasn't the projects, but it was hard yet. Growing up with 8 brothers and sisters, next to the youngest, I still didn't listen. Not my fault, too many accidents as a child. All I can say is that I'm blessed to be alive. Put my hands in my pockets and walk down the street. Didn't have a bike, so I was on my feet. And And I don't blame nobody for the bullshit. We out here for certain things, so I'ma do this. Just trying to progress. My parents moved to Lancaster, I wasn't ready to go yet. So in the summer, I stay with my sister on St. Augustine. A kid in the street, never on punishment. Big mistake at 2 o'clock in the morning. Instead of sleeping, I was on my way out the door and hollering at my